Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of the Polydent outdoor table. This outdoor set comes with an umbrella, as you can see. It also has a very high back, which is comfortable. The poly material has a lifetime limited warranty for up to 20 years. So that means it's not going to crack or stain. It cleans easily with a soft bristled brush and soap and water. If you need outdoor living space, this is the type of item that is really durable. I live in Florida, so anything that is not built well is going to deteriorate in the harsh sunlight. But this is going to last forever and ever. It comes in a lot of different colors, and it does have that farmhouse style. This set is also made with marine grade quality hardware, so that's going to be just as durable as the rest of the set. It is heavy. It's not the lightest type of furniture to move around, so be aware of that as it's arriving, or if you want to move it around your pool deck or anywhere in your backyard, you probably are going to want to get help for that. But otherwise, this is a set that's going to stand the test of time. The warranty is excellent. It looks sleek, it's comfortable to sit in, and it's definitely a dining set that I recommend.